we're doing here, we're solving this equation for z. So I want you to give me a z equals, this is a parabola. This one's a pretty normal parabola. It's going to have two solutions, meaning it crosses the x-axis twice. Some people also call those zeros. It has two zeros. So we're going to solve this for z. There's two answers. Plan of attack I want you to use is solve it by using square roots. Go. Okay, reason I knew that using square roots here was a pretty good idea is because 25 is a pretty friendly perfect square. It's easy to work with square root of 25. So since this whole left side is being squared, I can undo that by taking the square root. So when I take the square root here, the square root and the squared cancel each other out. So you just have z minus 6. Now whatever you do on the left side, you have to do on the right side as well. So I've got to take the square root of 25. So what times itself equals 25? What's the square root of 25? Well, it could be a positive 5. 5 times 5 is 25. It could also be a negative 5, because negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So z minus 6 is equal to the positive or negative 5. So now to finish solving this, I actually have two equations to solve, because z minus 6 can equal a positive 5, or z minus 6 can equal a negative 5. It's just one step to solve both of those. Add 6 here. That gets me 5 and 6 is 11, so z is equal to 11. Add 6 here. Negative 5 and 6 is 1, so z equals 1. So there are my two zeros, my two solutions, my two roots, my two answers. Lots of ways, lots of different names for that.